Hey guys, Carson here. So I'm going to be doing an apple balsamic cherry glazed pork loin. So our first step is to get our apples sliced. Any kind of apple will work. You just want that tart, sweet flavor. And our next step now is we've got our pork loin right here. What we're going to do is we are going to generously season it with some salt and pepper. Now make sure you grab a separate container for this. That way you're not cross-contaminating anything when you're seasoning. Now we're going to transfer it to our hot pan right here. We've got some olive oil. There we go. Beautifully browned pork roast. Add these beautiful apples to it. Just like that. There we go. Beautiful. So I'm going to transfer our pork and our apple slices to another pan. I want to save the juice in this pan to make our glaze. All right, guys. So our cherry and balsamic reduction is almost finished. It and gently lay it over like that, right on top of those apples. Perfect. I want to show you this. Beautifully reduced, sauce-like consistency. I'm just going to pour over the pork. Oh, look at that. An absolutely beautiful, holiday-appropriate pork loin. I'm going to bite into this and have a fantastic day.